Here's a quick video about our latest Arduino project. This is the light control that we put in this room. Wanted the lights to come off and on when it was dark out, and the light sensor said it was dark enough, and the passive infrared motion detector said there was motion in the room. The light sensor is mounted on the bottom of the box so that the ambient light coming up through the window doesn't affect it as much, so I put it on the bottom. It reads the light level in the room, and if it's dark enough, it'll allow the light to come on. If not, it will not allow the light to come on. The key switch you see here is the parental override switch. I'll turn that key switch if I want the system to come on and stay on indefinitely, regardless of what the infrared sensor or the ambient light sensor says. Let's see, we've got a parallax infrared sensor up on top that detects the motion. That's the red object you see. The blue object is a push button. It's a lighted push button. It's got a blue LED in it. It's waterproof. It's made out of stainless steel. I hit that. It will turn the lights out and disable the motion detector for 30 seconds. And that will allow you to turn the lights out and then have time to egress or time to get in the bed when it's nighttime and you're ready for sleep. You can see the Arduino in there. Right now it's covered by a screw shield I bought from Adafruit.com. I've got a 110 volt receptacle that's powering a power supply which powers the Arduino. Has a terminal strip in here. You can see a couple of resistors in there. One resistor goes to the lighted LED push button, and the other is part of the analog circuit that determines the light level. The black object you see here is a device I just discovered recently. It allows me to use 5 volts DC to control 120 volts AC up to 10 amps. I paid $10 for this device at our local surplus electronics store, Midwest Surplus Electronics in Fairborn, and the system really works well. Once the sensor senses motion, it'll turn the light on for 6 minutes, and every time it detects motion again, it will reset that for another 6 minutes. Okay, and that way when someone leaves, the light will burn no longer than 6 minutes. If they want to do the right thing when they leave the room, all they have to do is hit this button and it'll shut the light on. And I think I'll do that now and end the video. Have a good one.